If you are out there to shoot an event yourself using mobile phone or camera, listen that the event is made up of many things, small things. Some branding shots, some speaker speaking shot, some audience reaction, and some candid moments. And the last, most important, is networking moments. So in this video, I am telling how to capture better networking moment images and footages so that when you post all the images from the event, it looks like a complete coverage of the event. Let's start. When you are in mindset to cover networking photos, your goal is not to interrupt the people who are doing their moments, exchanging phone numbers, talking, happily enjoying the conversation, discussing about the event. No, your goal is to capture them. So when they are doing these things, point your camera, if possible from little distance, and then shoot the moment. When they are talking, try to capture the moment when their hands are raised or someone is laughing. So for this, you might have to wait for 20 seconds, 30 seconds in that locked position, but this wait is worth it. When you have done 2-3 people, move on to other subgroup, because in any event I have seen there are many subgroups formed. So try to capture many of them. Capturing all these, putting them together would make sure you capture the event perfectly. The most obvious, or it's now become cringe in any corporate shoot, is the handshake moment. Generally, there are 3 times in an event when handshake occurs. The first one is during registration time. People are getting to know each other for the first time. They might be having tea. There is a registration counter around them. People are talking and shaking hands. So capture that. The second is, if it's long event, the lunch time or dinner time. The last, third one is when everyone is leaving, they all know each other, something about them they all know. They have exchanged their phone numbers, and final handshake they are doing before leaving. So your goal is to capture this moment. When you are shooting handshake or other moments like this, the goal is to have pictures from many angles. The first obvious one, you are standing here, they are doing the act, and shoot that. The other one is going behind one person if they are in group and shoot from their POV, like putting camera on top of their shoulder, going little bit back and shoot from there. The other POV is top angle. So these all makes the difference. If you feel the background is cluttered, like if it's a dining hall and the networking going on in that area, you don't want to show the plates and the clutter around it, go low angle. This works too, because if it's a low angle and you are shooting handshake, the hand would look prominent because everything which is near to camera appears larger in the photo or video. The next point is shooting small groups properly. If you see small groups are formed and they are constantly networking, they might have placed chairs, 4 or 5 chairs, and they are talking, engaged in full conversation. Shoot them specifically, give some time, have some moment to capture from long distance, short distance, some their backside photos, all these low angle. Your goal is to capture the most moments happening around the area. Laughter is one of the important ones, because you will see that your marketing team or the social media team who is going to use these pictures, most of the times they would prefer images which has laughter. So it's a good idea to have laughter images in both wide shot, mid shot and close up. The next thing, if you get chance, make sure your group, subgroup stand in front of some branding element and discuss there. Your goal is to capture branding with the people moment. Combining these two make the picture worth storytelling. Like someone some group is discussing around the standee or the branding kit would make sure your brand logo and other details, event details are on branding. The viewer, when they will scroll on phone and look at the images, they will get the context of where and why this conversation is happening. And that's exactly what your role is as a photographer shooting an event, corporate event, workshop, mic event. Now, if you follow all these, make sure you have enough variety of it. Do not lock your camera in some random settings and keep taking pictures all from there, like standing here and taking all the pictures from that location. It's a bad idea. Your goal is to have variety of shots. Something near entrance, gate, hallway, branding materials, their discussion area, tea area. Have variety, have multiple angle, multiple focal lengths. The focal length translates in phone as 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 4x or 8x. Camera zoom basically it is. So if you follow these principles, your candid moments would look better. And check out my playlist of this cover your event yourself using mobile phone. So you will get to know all type of shots to take in an event, which shots to not miss, and how your marketing team is going to use it. You have to keep in mind that too. And if you have shot these videos, clips, photos and want us to edit in Bangalore to give a final polished video so that your social media team can use it directly, check out the description. I have a service called Video Editor on Demand for Services, in which you dump the footages, we check it and give a final polished ready to use social media video. And if you want me to cover your event in Bangalore, check the description. I do that too. Now more in this playlist you will find how to take good B-roll shots, which shots to not miss, which shots to must take, how to deal with difficult lighting situations, what to do if your venue is indoor and the photos are not looking good, how you can fix that even if you are having phone. So check the playlist, there are multiple videos, and subscribe if you want more such contents. Thank you.